What is a keyword? A keyword is simply a search phrase. For example, if you went over to Google and typed in vanilla ice cream, the keyword would be vanilla ice cream. The entire search phrase, not the individual words, so not vanilla or ice cream. The keyword would be vanilla ice cream. To be successful in SEO, you need to figure out what your potential customers would search for in Google to find your website and the service or product you offer. If we go back to my previous example of yoga mats, let's just imagine you have a website which sells yoga mats. One of the main keywords you would target would be yoga mats, as that's the main thing you offer on your website. Once you know what keywords you want to target, you can then optimize your website to increase your online visibility for those keyword searches. Understanding keyword intent. Keyword intent, sometimes known as search intent, represents a user's purpose for the search. For example, if someone goes onto Google and types in, "Are yoga mats worth the money?" then from the keyword, we can tell straight away that this person isn't actually sure whether they need a yoga mat or not. As the search phrase says, "Are yoga mats worth the money?" So from this keyword intent, we get two things. One, the person knows about yoga mats, and two, they're not sure whether they need a yoga mat. If we look at another keyword, such as buy red yoga mat, we can tell from this keyword that the search intent is a lot more different. The person has typed in buy red yoga mat, which means they already know that they need a yoga mat, and they've gone even further and they actually describe the yoga mat they need, which is a red one. So if you have a website selling red yoga mats and someone types in buy red yoga mat, then they land on your page showing red yoga mats, the person is most likely going to buy one if the price is right. However, if someone types in "are yoga mats worth the money?" then they land on the same page showing red yoga mats, the person probably isn't going to buy it. The person still needs convincing. Understanding the difference in search intent will make a massive impact on your SEO campaign. Essentially, when you understand the buyer intent, you can make sure the page the person lands on is relevant to what they typed in and will result in more sales and a much better user experience.